You guys, oh my gosh, you gotta watch this video. I really had so much fun turning myself into an e-girl. Stick around for the end for a quick surprise. I really love this look. I hope you guys love it too. Just keep watching to see how I achieved it. And what's up, y'all? It's Jessica and I am back with another video. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Jessica. I never do like a little intro, so real quick, my name is Jessica. I do beauty, lifestyle videos. Sometimes I do a little vlogging. Right now is a kind of like a random beauty video. I just like to do videos that come to mind, okay? And I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch those uploads, girl, okay? So you won't be missing out on some good stuff. Welcome back. If y'all are not new here, y'all already know what's up. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. Let's get into this e-girl transformation. I don't know what I'm gonna title this yet, but y'all know what it is. Excuse me if you hear some noise in the background. I'm doing a little bit of laundry right now. It's late at night. I just had this creative epiphany. I was on TikTok, you know, I was watching different Instagram videos. Y'all know Beat by Deb. I love her. She is an awesome makeup artist. She also has a cosmetic company. I was inspired by her, you know what I'm saying? I also, a couple weeks ago, I don't know, maybe it was a couple weeks, I don't really know, but I see my girl Tay Pancakes. She's a YouTuber here on YouTube. Of course, YouTuber on YouTube. Duh. But she did an e-girl transformation too, so I'm like, you know what? Let's get it. I'm gonna be doing makeup, hair, and outfit today. We're about to be all e-girl out. Okay? So without further ado, I'm gonna just get right into this makeup. I know my hair's looking crazy, y'all bear with me. Y'all know anytime I come on here looking crazy, it's because I'm about to do a transformation. So e-girls typically have like this straight eyebrow look. I'm gonna try to get that look. I don't really know how to do that. I'm just winging it. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I just brushed my brows into place. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Brow Blade in the color Dark Drapes. Going in with the liquid side. I'm going to make like some hairs up here. Kind of like a bushy brow look, hopefully. Oh, not bad. Not too shabby if I do say so myself. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Lancome Tongue Dog Camouflage Concealer. I just got a little sample of it that I've had forever. But this is the color 370, and I'm going to use that to like boom boom bam my brows, okay? Y'all know what that means? That means get them together. Just to like cover up the hair because my brows don't grow like this, and like cover up my mistakes. Oh my gosh, e-girl brows on deck. Okay. I ain't mad, yeah, I ain't mad. I hope I don't get mad, but I ain't mad yet. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that concealer down to my eyelids. I got the concealer on my lids. I'm gonna set it with Pat McGrath Labs. What is this called? Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. Okay, all of that. So the classic e-girl eyeshadow color is pink. So of course we about to do some pink. I am going in with my Beauty Glaze color board. I'm going in with the purple palette, and I am going to use probably this color and some of these to create a pink look. So what I think I'm going to do is take this hot pink color and like pack it all over my lid and blend it out with like this purple pastel color. I think that'll be nice. I think that'll be nice and e-girl like. So yeah. Yeah, I say I'm turning myself into an e-girl, but I really think I'm turning myself into my alter ego. Like this is me on the inside. Okay, I got a really nice pink base. Now I'm going in with that purple pastel color, and I'm just gonna like blend my life away. I like where I'm going with this. I ain't get there yet, but I like where I'm going. Now we're gonna get into some wing liner. I feel like an e-girl liner is bold. It is there. It is a wing hunty. Now, for real this time, we're going in with the Estee Lauder foundation. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that same concealer I used around my eyebrows, but I'm gonna mix it with the rest of the Estee Lauder foundation that's on my hand, just to make it a little bit deeper because it's a little too light for me to use it on its own, especially with the way I'm doing my makeup right now. So yeah. Okay, I'm also gonna go in with another concealer that is a little bit deeper. This color right here from my NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour palette. Do some contour. I feel like contouring isn't really an e-girl thing, but I gotta have some contour. Maybe it is. I don't know, but yeah. So now we're gonna get into the fun part, which is the blush. I'm about to take my Scott Barnes blush palette, Cheek and Chic blush palette, and I am going to be using this bubblegum Barbie doll pink called Rosé. So e-girls put blush like all over the cheek and on the nose. So let's do that. I'm excited. Oh my god. I'm getting a little fancy today. I'm using a highlighter by Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. It was a limited edition color that influencer sent me during like Halloween or something, but it's like a really pretty purple highlighter, y'all. We doing it up. We is doing it up. Now I'm about to go in with a little bit more blush. I don't think I'm gonna do a bronzer today. I think I'm gonna skip a bronzer. Actually, I'm gonna mix this pink blush that I've been using with a little bit of this one, just to give it a little dimension. This one is called Crushing Blush. Just to give it a little bit more depth, so it'll pop out better on me. Oh, with that purple highlight, girl. Alright ladies, I got my lashes and my mascara on now. Oh, I'm starting to come to form.
Now I'm starting to really come into form.
I want to add some cute finishing touches. E-girls always have hearts under their eyes, and I want to do a glitter heart. But first, I'm going to fill in my beauty mark. Who is not an e-girl though? Please tell me. So, this glitter heart, I'm going to put it on this side. And I'm going to take some clear lash glue and a fine liner brush. And I'm going to try to do this. Okay? Wish me luck here, because I'm free-handed it. And I cannot draw. Now, I'm going to go into my color bar palette again, and I'm going to take that icy blue right there and fill the heart in. Oh my gosh, I can tell it's a heart. I feel like from far away it's kind of hard to tell, but I can definitely tell that that's a heart. Okay, let's do more. I'm excited about this. I don't want to get too carried away, but we're going to do one more little thing. Let's do like a cross over here, because y'all know e-girls be having them crosses and stuff. So I'm excited again. This time for the cross, I'm going in with this dark purple glitter right there. I feel like I just turned myself into a rock star. I love it. The cross is kind of messy, but you know, it works. I'm loving it. Look at my hand. Crazy, right? I love this, y'all. I'm an e-girl. Look at my e-girl makeup. Now for the hair. Let me take these out. Alright, ladies, so I have taken out my flexi rods. I honestly don't want to do too much to this, because these curls is kind of popping, and I want to keep them for tomorrow. I think I'm going to just wear it down, but I got this pin that says sexy. I'm going to put that in my hair. Let's get into this outfit. Alright, you guys, so this right here is my e-girl outfit. I'm sorry if the lighting is off in this clip, but bear with me for a little while. Y'all, look at this outfit. I got this outfit from Dolls Kill like a long time ago, and the event that I bought it for never happened, so I never wore it. And my boyfriend always be threatening me that he gonna throw it away because I don't wear it, but look at me now. Perfect outfit for an e-girl. I'm one of them cute e-girls, y'all. I'm so freaking happy about this transformation. I feel so cute. I feel like I'm gonna do this more often just because it's cute as freak, okay? It's cute as crap. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really had a lot of fun making this video. Oh my gosh, I want to do more like this. If there are any other styles you know that you want me to transform into, leave me a comment. Also, leave me a like on this video, and before you go, please make sure you are subscribed so you can catch me in the next one, girl. I'll see y'all next time.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.